The Working Committee on Joint Tribe Council (JTC) has declared complete boycott of Chief Minister Khemchand'S visit to Makhan relief camp on the 8th of this month. The decision comes after the government failed to deliver justice for the brutal killing of 6 Naga individuals. In an official press release, JTC strongly opposed the Chief Minister's plan to interact with displaced victims. They pointed out that 84 days have passed since the incident, yet the remains of the 6 victims still lie at Khemchand'S morgue. The council expressed deep satisfaction over the incomplete investigation and failure to arrest all perpetrators. They stated that hosting official government visits in Naga areas under these conditions is an insult to the deceased. JTC demanded full justice for the victims' families before any official government programs take place in Naga territories. Consequently, the council appealed to all Naga civil society organizations, CSOs, community leaders and the public to boycott the Chief Minister's visit. They urged the citizens to refrain from participating in official development or political activities for the time being. The statement issued a firm directive that no individual should speak on behalf of the Naga community until collective decision is formally reached.